What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The break-in period is over, so we're gonna go ahead, change the oil out, put new oil in, get everything ready to rock, and we're gonna go take a couple test hits with this car since we swapped it over to the K04 tune and K04 JHM tune, and we are going to see what this bad girl can do since we swapped everything over. So I'm pretty excited. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, girl. Honestly, for a new engine rebuild, there's like no metallic in here at all, so that's actually pretty good. Can't lie. All right, guys, oil is drained, old filter is off. If you're not familiar, you should always put a little bit of oil around the ring of your filter. So, we're gonna go ahead and give us a little love juice here. Get that all around the ring. Now you're ready to rock. Go ahead and throw that on. And then we'll fill it up with oil and have her ready to rock for some pulls. Not gonna lie, couldn't find a funnel, so we're raw dogging this. Superb pour. I'm that guy. Straight capping. Put the cover on. Let's do it. Always make sure that your garage doors are closed. Let's go. Good.
30. 60. Quarter mile.
All right, so we went and did a couple hits in the car. Feels pretty strong. I feel like I got to figure out the launching a little bit, and then it seems like it's shifting a little early, but overall it definitely pulls pretty good for a little 4-cylinder. I have my fiance with me. What did you think?
It's pretty nice.
Pretty nice. She said it felt like it hit her in the chest whenever we would take off. It does launch pretty hard. Once it like catches the boost, it's just like boom and goes. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with it. For a 4-cylinder, it's nice. Hopefully I can take it to the track and get some legitimate times and like figure out maybe something to cool it off so it doesn't heat soak. And I think this car will be pretty dialed. So that's all for the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you, like and subscribe.